Okay, hopefully this isn't a timed one as well. Can they squish me? Nope. Oh, this is going to be a lot harder than the previous one, I'm guessing. Slam. What the hell is this? Is there like a bonus there or something? Easter egg? Okay. It's like Chopper now. Bastards. I know I was never good at that game. Yeah, this game. Yes. Yeah. Oh, really? Really? You bastard. Oh, okay. Oh, come back to me! I like actually how they done this. To be honest, the first few levels are a bit too easy, I think, but this one's kind of like... First, I don't know, it was quite easy for a while, even though I was failing loads, it's just I wasn't really paying attention too much. But no, these ones are getting a bit harder now, which I think is good. I might start splitting them into 5-minute episodes just to keep it going for a bit longer, because I reckon it's probably a bit frustrating watching this in 10-minute intervals, just watching me fail about a really quick episode basically. But if you're enjoying it, like and such, comments I particularly like, because I get to read them, I get to see who's watching my videos and such. Okay. Which is nice. Oh no, it's like a oh no, don't you do this, you They saw how much I couldn't stand it the first time, so they put another one in. Yep. I might edit a few of these episodes if they get a bit too long and a bit too frustrating. Like, this is on 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I'll probably cut this off after I finish this level. So about 4 more minutes, and then... Okay. Oh, no. I have to say, it's quite a nice little game just to play with. It's not as rage-inducing or anything like that as most games. Well, it's Call of Duty, really. Like, I don't know, I kind of haven't given up on Call of Duty, but I'm giving up on taking it seriously. It's just so much funner to actually play it and just have a wee laugh. Like, I used to play it like I would rage over everything, and it just isn't as fun when you do play it like that. Okay, don't go too high. Yes! Yes! Okay, well, thanks for watching this episode. Bye!